Hello everyone, bonjour à tous. Every May, we celebrate the invaluable contributions Canadians of Asian descent make to our country every single day. And throughout our history, Asian Canadians have achieved great success in Canada, and they've helped build the prosperous country we all call home. Unfortunately, we've seen a rise in anti-Asian sentiment lately. This is unacceptable. We must never give in to hatred and fear. We must stay united. Maintenant, plus que jamais, on doit dénoncer la discrimination et la division, parce qu'on est plus fort quand on est solidaire. Now, while we aren't able to get together in person to mark Asian Heritage Month, I hope you enjoy this virtual celebration of the beauty of the arts and culture of Asia. Be well and stay safe.
This year, as our country weathers the storm of the COVID-19 pandemic, we wanted to offer you the opportunity to appreciate the artistic performances from Asian communities across our country. And so, we put out a call for video submissions. We received so many submissions, and I thank everyone who sent us their video performances for Asian Heritage Month. Now, here is a montage of some of the amazing videos we received. We are wrapping up the 2020 edition of Asian Heritage Month, and the theme was Asian Canadians United in Diversity. Did you know that Canadians of Asian descent trace their ancestry from over 20 different countries? These communities have helped make Canada into the diverse, compassionate, and prosperous country it is today, from the arts to science to sport to business to government. Nos communautés asiatiques ont aidé à faire du Canada d'aujourd'hui un pays de diversité, de compassion, de prospérité, dans les arts, les sciences, le sport, les affaires, et la fonction publique. This diversity is what makes our country stronger. Over the past month, I invited you all to learn more about our shared past so that together we can build an even more inclusive future. And I encourage you all to continue to learn about the different communities in Canada.